Let's see how to fix Word is not your default program dialog box in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, this dialog box says Microsoft Word is your default program for viewing and editing documents, usually pops up when you haven't enabled Microsoft Word to become as your default app for opening a particular kind of document. And to do that, first, if you're on Windows, click on the Windows key on your keyboard. Now from here, search apps. And right here, you will see all of these choices. Now click on default apps. And here you can set the defaults for each app. So for example, here you can set what type of documents Microsoft Word will open by default. So under this field right here, under this search bar, type in Word. Now click that, and you should be able to see the particular types of files right here that are defaulted into Microsoft Word, so that whenever you open these files, it will automatically open in Microsoft Word. And as you can see, currently our .docs .doc file is still not set Microsoft Word. And to set that, simply click on it and look for Microsoft Word, which is this one. Click Set Default. And as you can see, that has now changed. And now whenever we try to open a .doc document, Microsoft Word will automatically open that document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.